हेलो बच्चों, शुरू करते हैं चैप्टर थर्ड, मेटल एंड नॉन मेटल्स। मेटल्स, एलिमेंट्स दैट आर electropositive in nature are called metals. It means metals lose electron to form positive ion. For example, copper. Physical properties of metals. Hardness. Most of the metals are hard except alkali metals such as sodium, potassium, lithium are very soft metal. These can be cut by using a knife. Strength. Most of the metals are strong and have high tensile strength. Because of this, big structures are made using metals such as copper, iron, except sodium, potassium, which are soft metal. State. Metals are solid at room temperature except for mercury. Sound. Metals produce ringing sound, so metals are called sonorous. Sound of metals is also known as metallic sound. This is the cause that metals wires are used in making musical instrument. Conduction. Metals are a good conductor of heat and electricity. This is the cause that electric wire are made of metals like copper and aluminum. Malleability. Metals are malleable. This means metals can be beaten into a thin sheet. Because of this property, iron is used in making big ships. Ductility. Metals are ductile. This means metals can be drawn into thin wires. Because of this property, a wire is made of metals. Melting and boiling point. Metals have generally high melting and boiling points, except sodium and potassium metals, which have low melting and boiling point. Density. Most of the metal have a high density. Color. Most of the metals are gray in color, but gold and copper are exceptions. Chemical properties of metals. Reaction with oxygen. Most of the metals form respective metals oxide when reacting with oxygen. Metal plus oxygen gives metal oxide. Reaction of potassium with oxygen. K plus O2 gives K2O. Reaction of sodium with oxygen. Sodium Na plus O2 gives Na2O. Sodium hydroxide. Reaction of copper metal with oxygen. Copper Cu plus O2 gives CuO, copper oxide. Silver, gold and platinum do not combine with oxygen of air even at a high temperature. They are least reactive. Second, reactions of metal with water. Metal form respective hydroxide and hydrogen gas when reacting with water. Metal plus water gives metal hydroxide plus hydrogen gas. Most of the metal do not react with water. However, alkali metals react vigorously with water. Reaction of sodium metals with water. Sodium metal forms sodium hydroxide and liberates hydrogen gas along with lot of heat when reacting with water. Na plus H2O gives NaOH plus H2 gas. Reaction of calcium metal with water. Calcium forms calcium hydroxide along with hydrogen gas and heat when react with water. Ca plus 2H2O gives CaOH twice plus H2. Reaction of magnesium metal with water. Magnesium metal react with water slowly and forms magnesium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. Mg plus 2H2O gives MgOH twice plus H2. When steam is passed over magnesium metal, magnesium oxide and hydrogen gas are formed. Magnesium plus H2O gives MgO plus H2. Reacting of aluminium metal with water. Reaction of aluminium metal with cold water is too slow to come into notice. But when steam is passed over aluminium metal, aluminium oxide and hydrogen gas are produced. 2Al plus 3H2O gives Al2O3 plus H2. Reaction of zinc metal with water. Zinc metal produces zinc oxide and hydrogen gas when steam is passed over it. Zinc does not react with cold water. Zn plus H2O gives ZnO plus H2. Reaction of iron with water. Reaction of iron with cold water is very slow and comes into notice after a long time. Iron forms rust when react with moisture present in the atmosphere. Iron oxide and hydrogen gas are formed by passing of steam over iron metal. 2Fe plus 3H2O gives 2Fe2O3 plus 3H2. Both calcium and magnesium are heavier than water but still float over it. Both calcium and magnesium float over water surface because hydrogen gas is evolved. When these metals react with water, it is in the form of bubbles which stick on the metal surface, therefore they float over it. Ca plus 2H2O gives CaOH twice plus H2. Other metals usually do not react with water or react very slowly. Lead, copper, silver and gold do not react with steam. Thus, the order of reactivity of different metals towards water may be written as potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminium, zinc, iron, lead, copper, gold, silver, gold. Potassium K is most reactive and aurum Au yani gold is least reactive. Reaction of metal with dilute acid. Metal forms respective salts when reacting with dilute acid. Metal plus dilute acid gives metal salt plus hydrogen. Reaction of sodium metal with dilute HCl. Sodium metal gives sodium chloride and hydrogen gas when react with dilute hydrochloric acid. Na plus HCl gives NaCl plus H2. Reaction of magnesium metal with dilute hydrochloric acid. Magnesium chloride and hydrogen gas are formed when magnesium react with dilute hydrochloric acid. Mg plus HCl gives MgCl2 plus H2. Reaction of zinc with dilute sulfuric acid. Zinc sulfate and hydrogen gas are formed when zinc react with dilute sulfuric acid. This method is used in the laboratory to produce hydrogen gas. Zinc plus H2SO4 gives ZnSO4 plus H2. Hydrogen gas is not involved when metal is treated with nitric acid. Nitric acid is strong oxidizing agent and it oxidizes the hydrogen gas liberated into water and itself get reduced to some oxide of nitrogen like nitrous oxide. nitric oxide NO and nitrogen dioxide NO2. Copper, gold, silver are known as noble metals. These do not react with water or dilute acids. The order of reactivity of metal towards dilute hydrochloric acid or sulfuric acid is in the order sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, aluminium, zinc, iron, copper, mercury, silver. Metal oxide. Chemical properties. Metal oxides are basic in nature. The aqueous solution of metal oxide turns red litmus blue. Reaction of metal oxide with water. Most of the metal oxides are insoluble in water. Alkali metal oxides are soluble in water. Alkali metal oxides give strong base when dissolved in water. Reaction of sodium oxide with water. Sodium oxide gives sodium hydroxide when react with water. Na2O plus H2O gives 2NaOH. Reaction of potassium oxide with water. Potassium oxide gives potassium hydroxide when react with water. K2O plus H2O gives 2KOH. Reaction of zinc oxide and aluminium oxide. Aluminium oxide and zinc oxide are insoluble in water. Aluminium oxide and zinc oxide are amphoteric in nature. And amphoteric substance shows both acidic and basic characters. It reacts with base like acid and react with an acid like a base. When zinc oxide react with sodium hydroxide, it behaves like an acid. In this reaction, sodium zincate and water are formed. ZnO plus 2NaOH gives Na2ZnO2 plus H2O. Zinc oxide behaves like a base when react with acid. Zinc oxide gives zinc chloride and water on reaction with hydrochloric acid. ZnO plus HCl gives ZnCl2 plus H2O. In a similar way, aluminum oxide behaves like a base when react with acid and behave like a acid when react with base. Aluminum oxide gives sodium aluminum along with water when react with sodium hydroxide. Al2O3 plus 2NaOH gives 2NaAl2O3 AlO2 plus H2O. Aluminum oxide gives aluminum chloride along with the water when it reacts with HCl. Al2O3 plus 6HCl gives 2AlCl3 plus 3H2O. Reactivity series of metals in order of intensity of reactivity of metal is known as reactivity series. Reactivity of the example decreases on the moving from top to bottom in the given reactivity series. In the reactivity series, copper, gold and silver are at the bottom and hence least reactive. These metals are known as noble metals. Potassium is at the top of the series and hence most reactive. Reactivity of the some metals is given in decreasing order. Potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminium, zinc, iron, lead, copper, mercury, silver, gold. Reaction of metal with solution of other metal salt. Reaction of metal with the solution of other metal salt is displaced reaction. In the reaction, more reactive metal displaces the less reactive metal from its salt. Metal plus salt metal gives salt metal plus salt metal B, यानी A और B सॉल्ट है, मेटल A है, सॉल्ट मेटल B है, तो सॉल्ट मेटल A बनेगा और मेटल का B बनेगा। जैसे एग्जांपल आयरन प्लस CuSO4 गिव्स आयरन सल्फेट प्लस कॉपर, ये डिस्प्लेस कर दिया कॉपर आयरन ने। Similarly, aluminium and zinc displace copper from the solution of the copper sulfate. 2Al plus 3CuSO4 gives Al2SO4 thrice plus 3Cu. Zinc plus copper sulfate gives zinc sulfate plus copper. In all the above example, iron, aluminium, zinc are more reactive than the copper. This is why they displace copper from its salt solution. When copper is displaced in the solution of silver nitrate, it displaces silver and forms copper nitrate. Cu plus AgNO3 gives CuNO3 twice plus 2Ag. In the reaction, copper is more reactive than silver and hence displaces silver from silver nitrate solution. Silver metals does not react with copper sulfate solution because silver is less reactive than copper and not able to displace copper from its salt solution. Ag plus CuSO4 gives no reaction. Similarly, when gold is dipped in the solution of copper nitrate, no reaction takes place because copper is more reactive than gold. Au plus CuNO3 twice gives no reaction. In similar way, no reaction takes place when copper is dipped in the solution of aluminum nitrate because copper is less reactive than aluminium. So AlNO3 thrice plus Cu, no reaction. Non-metal. Elements that are electronegative in nature are called non-metal. It means non-metals gain electrons to form negative ions. For example, iodine. Physical property of non-metal. Hardness. Non-metals are not hard, rather they are generally soft, but the diamond is an exception. It is the hardest naturally occurring substance. State. Non-metals may be solid, liquid, gas. Luster. Non-metal have a dull appearance. Diamond and iodine are exceptions. Sonority. Non-metals are not sonorous. They do not produce a typical sound on the being hit. Conduction. Non-metals are a bad conductor of heat and electricity. Graphite, which is allotrope of carbon, is a good conductor of electricity and is an exception. Malleability and ductility. Non-metals are brittle. Melting and boiling point. Non-metals have generally low melting and boiling points. Density. Most of the non-metals have low density. Color. Non-metals are in many colors. Carbon in the form of graphite is non-metal which conduct electricity. Carbon in the form of diamond is a non-metal which is extremely hard. Diamond is a non-metal which has a very high melting point and boiling point. Iodine is non-metal which is lustrous, having a shining surface. Chemical reaction of non-metals. Reaction of non-metal with oxygen. Non-metals form respective oxide when reacting with oxygen. Non-metal plus oxygen gives non-metal oxide. C plus O2 gives CO2 plus heat. When carbon is burnt in the insufficient supply of air, it forms carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide is a toxic substance. Inhaling of carbon monoxide may prove fatal. 2C plus O2 gives 2CO plus heat. Sulfur gives sulfuric oxide when reacting with oxygen. Sulfur catches fire when exposed to air. S plus O2 gives SO2. When hydrogen reacts with oxygen, it gives water. H2 plus O2 gives H2O. Non-metal oxide. Non-metal oxides are acidic in nature. The solution of non-metal oxide turns blue litmus red. Carbon dioxide gives carbonic acid when dissolved in water. CO2 plus H2O gives H2CO3. Sulfuric oxide gives sulfurous acid when dissolved in water. SO2 plus H2O gives H2SO3. Sulfur dioxide gives sulfuric acid when react with oxygen. SO2 plus 2O2 gives 2SO3. SO3 plus H2O gives H2SO4. Reaction of non-metal with chlorine. Non-metal gives respective chloride when they react with chlorine gas. Non-metal plus chlorine gives non-metal chloride. Hydrogen gives hydrogen chloride and phosphorus gives phosphorus trichloride when reacting with chlorine. H2 plus Cl2 gives 2HCl. P4 plus 6Cl2 gives 4PCl3. Reaction of non-metal with hydrogen. Non-metal reactive with hydrogen to form covalent hydrides. Non-metal plus hydrogen gives covalent hydride. Sulfur combines with hydrogen to form a covalent hydride is called hydrogen sulfide. S2 plus S gives H2S. Hydrogen combined with hydrogen in presence of an iron catalyst to form covalent hydrogen ammonia. Hydride ammonia. N2 plus 3H2 gives 2NH3. Non-metal do not react with water to evolve hydrogen gas. Non-metal do not react with dilute acid. Reaction of metal and non-metal. Many metals form ionic bond when they react with non-metal. Compounds so formed are known as ionic compound. Ions. Positive or negative charged atoms are known as ions. Ions are formed because of loss or gain of electron. Atoms form ions obtained by the electronic configuration of the nearest noble gas. Positive ion. A positive ion is formed because of loss of electron by an atom. Following are some examples of positive ion. Na gives Na positive plus 1 electron. जब सोडियम एटम से एक इलेक्ट्रॉन रिमूव हो जाएगा तो सोडियम प्लस आयन बनेगा. ऐसे ही मैग्नीशियम में से 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन रिमूव हो जाएंगे तो मैग्नीशियम 2 प्लस आयन बनेगा. नेगेटिव आयंस जब बनते हैं जब इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन करते हैं. जैसे क्लोरीन एटम एक इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन करेगा तो क्लोरीन नेगेटिव आयन बनेगा. डिफरेंस बिटवीन मेटल एंड नॉन मेटल. Metal are generally occur as the hard solid substance. Metals are malleable and ductile. Metals produce ringing sound in striking within, which is called their sonorous property. Metals are good conductor of heat and electricity. Non-metals. Non-metals generally occur in all the 3 forms of matter: solid, liquid, gas. Non-metals are non-malleable and ductile. Non-metals do not show this sonorous property. Non-metals are poor conductor of heat and electricity with the exception of graphite, and is a good conductor of heat and electricity. Reactivity series. The arrangement of metal in a vertical column in the order of decreasing reactivity is called reactivity series of metal. The most reactive metals are placed at the top of the least reactive metals are placed in the bottom of the reactivity series. Potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminium, zinc, iron, lead, hydrogen, copper, mercury, silver, gold. सबसे ऊपर पोटेशियम, मोस्ट रिएक्टिव, सबसे नीचे कोल्ड, लीस्ट रिएक्टिव। बीच में हाइड्रोजन है, इट मीन्स जो हाइड्रोजन से ऊपर हैं वही एसिड के साथ रिएक्ट करके हाइड्रोजन गैस निकालते हैं, और जो हाइड्रोजन के नीचे हैं वो हाइड्रोजन रिमूव नहीं कर सकते। आयनिक कंपाउंड, the compounds formed by the transfer of electron from the metal to a non-metal are known as ionic compound. Sodium chloride, magnesium chloride. Example, ionic bonds. Ionic bonds are formed because of the transfer of electron from metal to non-metal. In this course, metal get positive charge because of transfer of electron, and non-metal gets negative charge because of acceptance of electrons. In other words, bonds formed between positive and negative ion is called ionic bond. Some examples are given. Formation of sodium chloride. In sodium chloride, sodium is metal, alkali metal, and chlorine is non-metal. Atomic number of sodium is 11. Electronic configuration 281. Atomic number of chlorine 17. Electronic configuration 287. Electron in the outermost orbit 7. Sodium gives sodium ion, 281 से 28 रह जाएगा, एक इलेक्ट्रॉन रिमूव हो गया इससे सोडियम आयन से। क्लोरीन गेन करेगा 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन, सोडियम आयन क्लोरीन आयन बनेगा, और 287 से हो जाएगा 288, 17 से 18 इलेक्ट्रॉन होंगे। इलेक्ट्रॉन ट्रांसफर हुआ तो इस तरह दिखाएंगे, सोडियम पॉजिटिव जो आयन है और क्लोरीन नेगेटिव कंबाइन होकर के बना NaCl, यह आयनिक कंपाउंड है। इसी तरह मैग्नीशियम से 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन रिमूव होंगे तो मैग्नीशियम 2+ आयन बनेगा, और क्लोरीन से 2 क्लोरीन एटम से 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन आएंगे, इस पर 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन आएंगे तो 2 क्लोरीन आयन बनेंगे, और 2 क्लोरीन आयन एक मैग्नीशियम आयन के साथ कंबाइन होंगे और Mg+Cl नेगेटिव ट्वाइस बनेगा। प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ आयनिक कंपाउंड। Properties of ionic compounds are as follows. Physical nature. Ionic compounds are solid and hard due to the strong attracting force between the positive and negative ions. These compounds are generally brittle and break into the pieces of pressure. Melting and boiling point. Ionic compounds have highly melting and boiling point because amount of energy can break the strong inner ionic attraction. Solubility. Ionic compounds are soluble in water but insoluble in solvent like kerosene, petrol. Conduction of electricity. Conduction of electricity through solution is possible when there is movement of charged particles. Ionic compounds in the solid state do not conduct electricity because movement of ions in the solid is not possible due to their rigid nature. A solution of an ionic compound in the water contains ions which moves to the positive electrodes when electricity is passed through the solution. Ionic compounds conduct electricity in the molten state as in the molten state in the electronic forces of attraction between the oppositively charged ions overcome due to the heat. Thus, the ions move freely and conduct electricity. Corrosion and its prevention. Corrosion is an electrochemical process in which redox reaction occur between the metal and water, oxygen and sulfur dioxide. It is spontaneous and irreversible process in which the metal changes into chemical compounds such as oxide, sulfide and hydroxide, etc. For example, due to the corrosion of rusting, the iron change into red iron oxide in the presence of moisture and oxygen present in the air. The rusting of iron when it comes in contact with the water and oxygen, which leads to the formation of brown coat cover. Its surface is a type of corrosion. The chemical reaction involved in the rusting is shown below. 4Fe plus 3O2 gives 2Fe2O3. 2Fe2O3 plus H2O gives Fe2O3 dot X H2O, that is rust. X इसलिए लगाया कि पता नहीं कितने मॉलिक्यूल होते हैं, इसमें कोई फिक्स नहीं होता. Method to prevent corrosion, some of them are described below. Electroplating. In this method, an electric current is used to create a thin layer of metal over another metal. It is done to make cheaper metals more appealing as well as to protect them from corrosion. This method requires two different metal and electrolytic solution and two electrodes in a tank and a battery or source of current that will pass the required current into the solution to carry out the electrolysis. When current is passed, one electron gets a positive charge and another gets the negative charge. The ions of positively charged metal shift to the surface of the negatively charged metal to create a thin layer. For example, when we take brass and copper for electroplating, the copper metal slowly gets deposited or covers a brass, and thus a thin coating of copper covers the surface of the brass. Here, the electrolytic solution must contain copper sulfide. Number 2, galvanization. In this method, iron is coated with a layer of zinc. The iron is dipped in the molten zinc. The layer of zinc protects the iron from corrosion. This method has been in use for more than 200 years. Painting and greasing. In this method, a layer of created over the metal surface by painting or greasing. This layer of paint or grease protects the metal from corrosion. Carbon fiber coating can be used for this purpose. Selection of material. Select the materials that are not affected by corrosion. For example, stainless steel, aluminum are resistant to corrosion. Dry and clean. Keep the metal surface dry and clean. Assignment है, ये कुछ क्वेश्चन है, इनको याद करना है. Write one example of each of the metal which is so soft that can be cut with knife and a non-metal which is the hardest substance. Answer है two metals which are आंसर है सोडियम और सबसे हार्डेस्ट है कार्बन का डायमंड. सेकंड, अ मेटल दैट ए नॉन मेटल विच एग्जिस्ट इन लिक्विड एट रूम टेम्परेचर. तो रूम टेम्परेचर पर लिक्विड होता है मरकरी और ब्रोमीन. नंबर 2, mention the names of the metal for the following. First, two metal which are alloyed with iron to make stainless steel. इसका आंसर है निकल, क्रोमियम. सेकंड है two metal which are used to make jewelry, gold and platinum. Question number 3, write the electron dot structure for potassium, एंड क्लोरीन, बी है कैल्शियम एंड सल्फर। तो ये KCl, CaS, CaCl2, इनके ये इलेक्ट्रॉन डॉट स्ट्रक्चर आपको बनाने हैं। यू आर गिवन samples of 3 metals, sodium, magnesium and copper. Suggest any 2 activities to arrange them in order of decreasing reactivity. Answer. Activity first. Sodium react with cold water vigorously, so form sodium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. Magnesium does not react with cold water, but with hot water to form magnesium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. Hence, sodium is more reactive than magnesium. Give reason for the following. School bells are made up of metal. Electric wire are made up of copper. Answer. It is because metal are sonorous, i.e. they produce sound when stuck with the substance. It is because copper is good conductor of electricity. Six. Define activity series of metals. Arrange the metal gold, copper, iron and magnesium in other order of their increasing in reactivity. B. That will you observe when? Number 1. Some zinc pieces are put in the copper sulfate solution. Second, some silver pieces are put into green colored ferrous sulfate solution. Answer. The series of metal in which the metal are arranged in the decreasing order of their reactivity is Au, copper, iron, magnesium. Is increasing on order. B. The blue solution will become colorless and reddish brown copper metal will be deposited. Zinc plus copper sulfate gives zinc sulfate plus copper. Silver plus FeSO4 gives no reaction. Reaction will not take place because silver is less reactive than iron. Question number 7. Name the following. A metal which is preserved in kerosene. Answer. Sodium. A lustrous colored non-metal. Iodine. A metal which can be melted while kept in palm. Gallium. A metal which is poor conductor of heat. Lead. Question number 8. Give reason for the following. Aluminum oxide is considered as an atmospheric oxide. B. Ionic compound conduct electricity in molten state. Answer. It is because it reacts with acid as well as bases to produce salt and water. Aluminum is less electron positive metal, so it forms amphoteric oxide, which can react with acid as well as base. B. Ionic compound can conduct electricity in the molten state because ions become free to move in molten state. Question number 9. State reason for the following. Sulfur is non-metal, magnesium is metal. Answer. Sulfur is non-metal because it is a poor conductor of heat and electricity. Magnesium is a metal because it is good conductor of heat and electricity. Question number 10. Write two differences between calcination and roasting. Answer. Calcination. It is carried out by heating ore in the absence of air. It converts carbonate ore into oxides. Roasting. It is carried out by the heating ore in the presence of air. It converts sulfides ore into oxide. So ये सी के साथ ये फिनिश हो जाता है चैप्टर। इसे पढ़िए और रिवाइज करके देखिए, अच्छी तरह याद हो जाएगा।